y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I'm back with weekly sketch number 86 for Scrapasketch. It is a free site over on Facebook or a group, and it has tons of awesome sketches, and this one is this week's. So, I have done a little bit of prep work because I got some new things and I wanted to play. Lisa at Scrapasketch also has a premium site, Scrapasketch.com, and she has printables, stencils, so many new sketches a month. I think that the sketches, not the sketches, but the stencils and the printables can be each bought separately. The sketches are part of a monthly subscription. I'm actually not sure of all the details, but I do know that I have a discount code, which is Shannon10, all caps, and you get 10% off on the Scrapasketch.com website. So, I have used the printables from her tickets. And I think this is called the Jordan collection. It's literally just a sheet of tickets in different colors, and I cut them apart to use them. And then this, I love it. It looks a little bit busy. But I got my sketches, stencils, sorry, that she sent me. And they are great quality. Sorry, let me stand up. They're great quality, and I have enjoyed using it. But these are available for purchase. I can't talk today. And this sketch is a one-page. I'll post it up on the screen. It is a one-page sketch, but I'm turning it into a two-page just because I have so many pictures. I went ahead and did a little bit of prep work on this. Like I said, this is the page of tickets, and I just cut it, the tickets, and then I cut them in half to make them wide enough. Oh, I can't see my camera at all, so hopefully everything is good. Okay, so these are our pictures. It is us at the Carnival this year for the Strawberry Festival. We literally just went so that we could get funnel cake. And they didn't even have strawberries. And I was like, that's kind of irony because it's a strawberry festival. But you don't have strawberries? And later on, not at the Carnival, but at the actual parade, we was able to get a funnel cake with strawberries on it. But we got this dipped ice cream, and it was pretty good. It was really sweet, but they had a bunch of different flavors you could pick. And all that good stuff. So I'm going to pull this one over to the side. Let me stand up so I can see what I'm doing for a second and make sure I'm where I need to be. Okay. I'm going to work on this one. I have this pile of different swap stuff I have collected. I got this little gnome. Don't know who made it. It isn't signed, but it's super cute. I made this for a swap or a page or something and didn't use it, this funnel cake. I'm going to use that. I got this, Alyssa Fowler made this in a swap. I got this in a swap. I don't know who made it. It's not signed. And I got these in a swap. And I think they say Sue on them. I don't know which Sue or who she is, but thank you. These are going to work out great for my page. Okay, so the basics of the swap. I took, not swap, my goodness, I really cannot, my mind is like, okay. Okay. The stencil that I used, all I did, to save on time, I went ahead and did it all. But, this is pretty much, I already cut this page up, as you can see. But, pretty much what I did was I just had a 12 by 12 sheet of white cardstock. I took the stencil, I laid it down, I went through all of my colors. I used Distress Oxide on these brushes, and I literally just went down. And then I did the next one and just did a little piece of the stencil, and so on and so forth for the background. And then I cut it down to reflect the sketch, which you can see. I'm going to save that for that side. So then that puts me here with this for the sketch. And like I said, I already did the work for these ones. So this one's going to go here and this one's going to go here, just to give it another little layer. And these tickets worked out good because we have like the ticket booth behind us in the pictures, and you know, all the colors and all that stuff for the carnival. Okay, so let me glue this down. Okay. Actually, when I took this picture with the ticket booth in the background, I had in mind that I was going to make some of my tickets that I've made a video on and use those on there, but then I ended up not doing that because I ended up on this creative team, and she had tickets, and I was like, I don't know, those are even better in my opinion because the colors match perfectly, and it saves me the work. So that did work out perfect. Do you guys ever pose or plan pictures? Not necessarily pose, but plan pictures. Think, okay, I have these supplies at home, so I'm going to make sure to get pictures so I can scrap, yada, yada, yada. I do that pretty often. Or if I have some swap stuff that's super, super cute and I don't really know what I'm going to do with it, I will take, and I'm like, okay, we're going to take pictures so that I can use this. And we'll make something up. Okay, for this, I just spread these out and left a little spot because my title's going to cover it up. This is just another strip of the tickets that I just cut. And I just wanted them to be able to reach all the way across the page. And somewhat straighten them up. Okay. Alright, so here's my title I'm putting on. I already added some foam tape to the back of it. It's sticking to my hands. Okay. I had to put it up a little bit higher just because, so it won't cover Michael's face up. Okay. Voila. I like it. Okay, I think I'm going to add the funnel cake on this one. And maybe even the ice cream too. And like, put it here. So that it's, I don't know. I just know that I want it on there. I think I like that better. And I could always trim it off. Or trim it and put it on this side of the page. Okay, I'm going to add some foam tape. Okay, this one I think I'm just going to glue on. Just going to put glue on part of it. I feel like it just fills it out more, you know? Okay. Let's see if I can trim this off. I'm afraid it might fall apart. Yep. Okay. We're just going to trash that. I'm not going to try to put it across. Okay, so pretty much this is my first page done, and I think I'm going to add some sequins at the end just to bring in, you know, the blingy. you know, because it's all the lights and the colors at the carnival. Okay, let me move this page over. Sorry that there's a huge glare. I'll put that over that for the glare. Okay. So now let's work on page 2. I'm not really following a sketch for it. I'm just using up this last scrap strip that I have. I need to move all of my blenders here. And I was going to say, I did get these on Temu, and they are great. Like, I love them. I have this one from Close to My Heart that I won for a crop or something. And even though they are a little bit smaller, I mean, like, the quality is just as good. Like, they work exactly the same. So, just saying. I'm not a Temu affiliate or anything, but... Okay. I'm just going to glue these on. I'm not even going to mat these ones. Sorry for all the background noise. My children are home today. And if they're not noisy enough, the kitten finishes it out. Okay. And then I'm going to put this one down here. And then I'm going to use this one right here in the center. I'm just tucking that one underneath just a little bit. Alright. So then I'm going to put this right here. And I think I'm going to end up putting this right here, but I don't know yet. I know that I want to put these here because this is like the collage that my phone makes me. Like, it makes something new every day or whatever, and I save this one, and it's pretty much just all the little snapshots it compiled, which I think 2 of them is like this picture and this picture, but it's fine. I just wanted to use them up since I'm already scrapping this and doing a 2-page. I'm not going to scrap them again, so I might as well use them up. Let's see. My thoughts were, since it went rainbow and these matched really good, I figured I would line them up so that you had green near the green, pink with the pink, blue with the blue, you know. Actually, I think I might do it like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, I want to do that. Okay. Let me glue this down. And I have foam tape on these to pop them up a little bit. And I'm just angling them a little bit. Let's see. Whoops, I just threw it right on the floor. Okay, so I think I'm going to pop this up on foam tape too. Y'all know how I like my dimension. Uh-oh, there's another roll of foam tape going. I use so much foam tape. Alright. I think I'm going to put that there and leave this little bitty spot so I can write in information if needed. But pretty much, that's the layout. Like, I think I lost my needle to my bottle. I am going to go around and add sequins. Oh, there it is. I'm going to go around and add some sequins, and I'll post close-ups at the end. Go over to Scrapasketch Facebook group. I'll link it below and check it out. Tell them I sent you. Say hi. And get some inspiration that's free. So, until next time, bye, y'all.